Kick-off oedd yn rhyngipio. Pen-y-bont methu cadw meddiant o gwbl. Hulbert yn y cwrt. Mewn i'r canol. Ac mae mewn! Aidan Lewis! A'i gôl gyntaf erioed yn uwch gyngre'r Cymru. Ac mae hwnna'n gôl boblogaidd iawn gyda'r tîm a gyda'r cefnogwyr sydd wedi teithio yma draw i Pen-y-bont. Reffel neu'n dda, a Pen-y-bont yn cirio holl ffordd i hanner y Barri. Luke Rhys a gic hir. A ni am ddod nôl. Cerdyn coch! Chris Venables sy'n am gerdded. A dipyn o ddadlau wedi digwydd ar llaw arall i wyneb Will Richards yn fyna. Dim yn siŵr beth y gwyddoedd rhywbeth oddi ar y bêl. Ac o ddrwg i waith ar ôl ildio gôl gofod eilyddio. Nawr maen nhw lawr i 10 te hanner ffordd trwy'r hanner cynta. Sgriad da gan Cenowen fyna i ochr Gami. Heibio i Hulbert. Y bêl ymlaen tuag at Reffel. Reffel gael ben i bêl yn cael ei lorio. Mae'n leg eich osmotin. Raffel ar lawr, dal i wyneb. A chyfle i Pen-y-bont union i'r sgôr. Cenowen. A syth ar y canol. Rhys yn mynd i'r gornel. A capten Pen-y-bont yn union i'r sgôr. 1-1. George yn mynd i'r canol. Tuag at Snaith. Davies sydd yn derbyn ar y chwith. Davies fewn i'r canol! A Snaith! Cyn chwaraewr Pen-y-bont. Wel, dwi ddim yn dathlu gormod yn erbyn ni gyn glob. Ond mae'r cefnogwyr sicr yn. Mae'r Barri nôl ar y blaen. Cenowen. Wrth gwrs, da'i droi'n chwith. Cian Reffel ar y bosib bella! Wedi leoni unwaith eto! Am gic rydd gan Cain Owen. Am gol oddi ar y maes ymarfer. Cain Owen ar arwydd. Gofyn am ryw rediad, mae wer. A Dan Jeffries yno, Jeffries yn trio rheoli ar ei frest, wer yn ei gosod i. A Dilyn Richards yn syth at yr amddiffynwr. Evan Press oedd yno. A bloedd gan Press. At i gyd chwaraewyr e. Richards unrhyw le arall. A fydde wedi bod yn gol.
Big exhale. I thought with 11v11 they were the better side. They had opportunities which we were gifting them and they were working for as well. And I thought they were a big threat, 11v11, let's put it that way. 10v11, I thought if anything we edged it. And I certainly don't think we were lucky to get a point in the end. I thought it was very much deserved. We had a great chance cleared off the line to go 3-2 up. And if anything, maybe they're a little bit lucky to come away with a point.
Yeah, I think prior to the game, we would have looked at a draw away at Pen-y-bont as a positive result, given the sort of incidents and goals within the game, having led the game twice, having been playing 11v10 for a large period of the game. We feel disappointed with the draw and felt we could have got the win.
An opportunity lost then?
Yeah, given the, like I said, pre-game we would have taken a draw, but given the moments in the game, disappointed with the manner of the goals we conceded. Positive that we were leading the game on 2 occasions, but weren't able to convert that into 3 points, and then to be playing 11v10 for a large period, we'd hope to execute that into a win.
It says a lot about the character of the team to go down 10 men and be the better team.
Yeah, we talked about it at half-time. We talked about the fact that Ponty managed to do it last night and get something out of the game. And we talked about the fact that Chris Venables has been an absolute legend since he's come to this club in terms of his professionalism, his attitude. He's made a mistake today. And can we dig him out of a hole and show that kind of togetherness? And we did that. Obviously, Chris is hurting and he's ruined his mistake, but the team instantly said, let's dig him out of a hole.
A word on your first goal scorer, Aidan Lewis, first goal in this league for him. Good to see him. A very popular goal scorer, it seemed.
Yeah, I'm sure he's a Barri boy, local lad who, you know, it's a big ambition of his to have played for Barri in the top league in Wales. So a proud moment for him. I've worked with Aidan not once at this club but previously, so delighted for him. He's had many opportunities like that with the balls bouncing in around the penalty spot. and most of his attempts have been blocked. So really pleasing to see that one at the back of the net for him today.